Hey there, this is going to be a how-to for installing the 1LE badge on a Camaro. So the one that I have is off of Amazon. I'll put the specific one in the description below. So the area that I'm going to apply it on, I've already cleaned, as you can see, because the rest of it is a little bit dirty. And you're going to want to do that as well. After that, you're going to want to use some of this painter's tape to line it up and keep it level, and put a piece of tape on the top and on the sides of where you're going to install the badge, so that you know that it's not going to be off to one side or leaning over when you actually apply it. So I'm going to go and put the tape on now using a level. So I've now put the tape on to make sure it's straight. I also put on these little marks where the letters will go, because the one that I have has separate letters. So as you can see at the top here, it lines up just so I know the spacing, and this one's going to go at the end. So now I'm just going to peel these off one by one and stick them on. So I personally think it looks pretty good. The adhesive didn't seem like it was extremely strong, so I'll put an update if I think that it's not going to last, or if it actually does fall off. But for now, it looks pretty good.